What's up, folks? Welcome to the channel, Gang Green. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you smash that like button. Today, I want to talk to you about how to get a roof for free. I mean, it's not 100% free. You have to pay the deductible, but it's just a real simple process. All you gotta do is get a contractor to get up on the roof, and all they have to do is find like 6 to 7 hail dings, like damages, into the whether it's on the roof or the gutters. And all you do is contact your insurance company. They're pretty easy about it, and they'll send a check out. If you're local to the area, Indianapolis, you can reach out to Wilson and Stout Exteriors right here. I got my man here with me. You want to talk to the camera about the process of this right here, right quick, Phil?
Yeah, you just give us a call. We do a free estimate inspection on your roof, and then we go through the process with you. You can make a claim, and then we'll be here to represent you and walk you through every step.
Oh, and another good thing, if you got an older roof and the shingles are no longer being made, then that's almost a guarantee for the insurance company to approve your claim.
Yes, sir.
And another thing is this is considered act of God. So one thing that I was worried about is if this claim was going to increase my premium or not, and it actually doesn't. This is considered an act of God. So this is something that the insurance company has to respond to. So it's just a win-win for the customer. So at the end of the day, we here to Gang Green. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Make sure you hit that like button.